The world of desktop computing has just been hit by a seismic shift, and most people didn't even see it coming. For years, the Mac Mini was the cute entry-level Mac, the budget choice for students or light office work. But today, that identity is dead. The M5 Mac Mini has arrived in 2026, and it isn't just a small computer. It is a 2-nanometer-powered predator that is currently outperforming workstations 3 times its size and 10 times its price. If you are sitting there with an M1, M2, or even a brand new M4 machine, you need to pay very close attention, because the silicon inside this new silver box isn't just an upgrade. It's a total reimagining of what an entry-level computer is allowed to do. For the next 30 minutes, we are going to strip away the marketing fluff and look at the terrifying reality of the M5. We are talking about the super core architecture, the dedicated neural accelerators that make local AI faster than a cloud server, and the 45% GPU jump that has finally made the Mac Mini a legitimate gaming and 3D rendering beast. If you've been waiting for the right moment to upgrade your desk setup, or if you're a pro creator wondering if you can finally ditch the bulky tower, this is the only video you need to watch. By the end of this, you're going to realize that the gap between consumer and professional has officially evaporated. Let's start with the heart of the revolution, the M5 chip itself. Apple has moved to TSMC's 3rd generation 3 nanometers and early 2 nm enhanced processes, and the efficiency gains are simply logic-defying. The M5 introduces what Apple calls the super core. This isn't just a faster performance core. It's a re-engineered block of silicon designed specifically to handle the massive, unpredictable data loads of modern artificial intelligence and large language models. When you open a 4K video project or a complex coding environment, the supercore doesn't just process it, it anticipates the next move. We are seeing single-core scores that were unthinkable just 18 months ago, reaching over 4,200 in Geekbench. That means for every single click, every app launch, and every browser tab, the M5 is responding before your finger even leaves the mouse. But the real magic, the thing that makes the M5 Mac Mini a must-buy for the USA audience in 2026, is the neural accelerator integrated into every single GPU core. This is a first for Apple Silicon. In the past, the neural engine was its own separate block. Now the AI processing power is woven directly into the graphics architecture. What does that mean for you? It means that if you're running local AI, like generating images in Stable Diffusion, enhancing video in Topaz, or running a private LLM for your business, the M5 Mac Mini is performing these tasks up to 4x faster than the M4 and a staggering 9.5x faster than the M1. We are talking about professional-grade AI throughput in a box that fits in your hand. This isn't just a computer. It's a private, high-speed AI laboratory sitting on your desk. Now let's talk about the graphics, because for too long, the Mac Mini was ignored by gamers and 3D artists. That ends today. The M5 GPU architecture includes a 3rd-generation ray tracing engine that provides a 45% graphics uplift. If you are a gamer in New York or